Do you frequently deal with issues like acne, inflammation, or migraines? And do you struggle with constant bloating, indigestion, or stomach-related acidity? And do you feel a constant sense of internal heat or restlessness? If yes, then according to our holistic wellness system, your mesomorphic or radiator profile, known in Ayurveda as the Pitta constitution, is likely in a state of imbalance. Today, I'm going to share a natural restorative force that cools internal heat and transforms mental tension into calm, which is pure rose essential oil. Understanding the mesomorphic or radiator profile. In the science of holistic wellness, the mesomorph is a body type associated with fire, intensity, and a high metabolic rate. When you are in balance, you are including, but not limited to intelligent, hardworking, radiant, and decisive. This is your balanced state. But when internal and external forces, like a spicy diet, irregular eating, or high stress, cause an imbalance, that fire begins to burn the system. Physical symptoms include, but not limited to chronic acne, migraines, and excessive stomach heat, leading to bloating and indigestion. Mental symptoms include, but not limited to, irritability, impatience, a critical nature, and mental restlessness. Want to try it? The product link is waiting for you in the description. Why Pure Rose Essential Oil is the restorative force. For the mesomorphic profile, rose oil, including but not limited peppermint, are the ultimate cooling and floral agent. Its natural potency neutralizes the excess fire or acid that this body type naturally generates. Rose oil doesn't just soothe the skin. It has a profound effect on the nervous system and emotional health. Effect on emotional symptoms. The fragrance of rose works directly on the mind's chemistry. It gradually reduces the heated reactions of anger and stress. With regular use, you achieve emotional equilibrium. Patience increases and concentration improves. Also, peppermint provides an immediate cooling sensation, relieving the pressure of bloating and the discomfort of indigestion when rubbed on belly. For those with a mesomorph dominant body who has natural tendency to indulge in pungent, spicy, sour, stimulating food and activities, rose oil acts as a natural mental coolant. Effect on physical symptoms. When applied topically or used in aromatherapy, these oils serve as a corrective force. When applied on screen, rose soothes the burning sensation of acne and redness common to this type. When applied on screen stomach, a diluted rose or peppermint-infused oil massage on the abdomen provides relief from sensitive, heated digestive conditions and stagnation. When applied on screen body, they balance excess body heat, leaving the system refreshed and comfortable. Because the radiator profile or mesomorphic skin is generally reactive to heat, rose oil provides the perfect balance without irritation. Correct use for ever-youthful balance for the face. Before sleeping, mix 1 to 2 drops of rose oil with a carrier oil like coconut or almond or any other astringent or grounding earthy woody carrier oil to restore the skin barrier. For mental peace, inhale the aroma deeply to reset your nervous system after a long day, or get a full body massage. For physical relief, a light head massages twice a week reduces both mental tension and systemic body heat, or get a full body massage at a spa. Note: always use pure, therapeutic grade and properly diluted oil, if necessary. If you identify with the mesomorphic profile and are troubled by internal heat or restlessness, it is time to bring your body back to center. Include rose oil in your daily ritual to maintain your balanced state. Using the right ingredients in the right way is the key to restoration. Identify your symptoms and choose the corrective solution that fits. If you found value in how our holistic wellness system brings balance, please like this video. For more natural and profound remedies to restore your inner balance, subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments, what is your primary body type? Is it the ectomorphic vitalist, the mesomorphic radiator, or the endomorphic anchor?